GitHub has some interesting features. I won't talk about the obvious ones like GitHub Action, issues, or pull request, but some features people usually don't realize. The first one is a keyboard shortcut. When you're on the GitHub website, press / and it will automatically take you to the search bar, and you can search anything. The second keyboard shortcut is Command+K on Mac or Control+K on Windows and Linux. It will open another search bar, and you can navigate around the functionalities easily. The third feature is a code editor. Go to your URL, change the domain from github.com to github.dev. It will open your repository in VS Code running in the browser. You can make changes here and commit and push. github.dev is a web-based code editor. It's pretty much VS Code running in browser. I usually like to use the convenient global search feature of VS Code. It also allows me to navigate between files using keyboard shortcuts quickly. To open the code editor, you don't really have to change the domain name. You can simply press the period key on your keyboard. It will also take you to the VS Code running in browser. The last feature is called Skyline. It's a product by GitHub. Simply enter some GitHub username and choose a year. Click Create a Skyline. It will generate a 3D model for you. It's the same thing as your commit contribution table under your profile page. The more you commit in a day, the higher the building will be. You can even download the 3D model in STL format. This allows you to produce a printable 3D model. I printed out my commits from 2017 to 2022. It summarizes my 5 years of coding experience during my undergrad years. I personally find this very cool. So these are the GitHub features I find interesting and people usually don't know. Hope you find this interesting.